We don't have the manufacturing facilities necessary to build the bombs necessary to defend ourselves. Well, we're in a situation where we're trying to, parse out the missiles that we're going to give to Ukraine, right? Because we've allowed our, stockpile, right? Our industrial stockpile to diminish, right? We have utilized economic policies that have taken our ability to have rack and pinion steering on our manufacturing destiny, and we've shipped it overseas, right? Through policies like NAFTA, right? The North American Free Trade Agreement and the like. And so we don't have the infrastructure now to even react to the fact that we don't have the munitions necessary to support the war-fighting machine. Let me say that succinctly. Let me say that in a way that the American people understand it. We don't have the manufacturing facilities necessary to build the bombs necessary to defend ourselves.